In a world that speaks so loud, truth gets lost within the crowd. Every whisper is a lie. Every whisper is a lie. Can pull a heart from you most high. Keep my words pure, keep my heart clean. Let them show what love should mean. When I speak, let them hear your voice. Every word, Lord, keep my words pure and true. Too easy to slow to bless. This tongue can bring such brokenness. But you call me to speak grace. Reflect the light upon your face. Keep my words pure, keep my heart clean. Let them show